Easy Horse Care Rescue Centre in August, would you believe? This is absolutely incredible. It's 7:30 in the morning. The guys are now all waiting for their breakfast. All these anxious little faces, all waiting patiently for the food to turn up, the alfalfa. But this is just absolutely incredible. The amount of rainfall that we've had all through the night, and there's still a lot more apparently to come during the day. I've never seen anything like this in August in Spain, and in actual fact this is the second time this has happened to us this month.